Good morning. Here is your video for your first worksheet of the week. Your worksheet this week is going to be exterior angle theorems. Last week we did the interior angles, which added up to 180 degrees. This lesson is on the exterior angles. And basically your two interior angles add up to your exterior angles. So this angle here plus this angle here equal this angle here. This is your exterior angle. It's outside of the triangle. These are your interior. So your two interior add up to your exterior. So to find this missing angle here, I know this angle 71 plus whatever this missing angle is going to add up to 105 degrees. So 71 plus x is that missing angle, equals 105. Subtract 71 to both sides to get x alone. X equals 34. Okay, so this missing angle right here is 34 degrees. And when you check yourself, 71 plus 34 does equal 105. So we are correct. Okay, down to number 3. Again, my two interior angles add up to my exterior. So this time I'm looking for my exterior, a little different than number 1. Number 1, we were looking for the missing interior angle. This one, number 3, we're looking for the exterior, but I know my two interior add up to my exterior. So I know that 81 plus 52 is going to equal x. It's going to equal that missing angle. 81 plus 52 is 133. Okay, so this missing angle right here, this exterior angle is 133 degrees. Okay, so that's how you do the first 4. The next 4, it's just not solid numbers, basic numbers like the first 4, but still the same thing. So for number 5, we know that 7x minus 3 plus 5x minus 5 equals 100. So my two interior, when I add them up, I get the exterior. So 7x minus 3, that's this one, plus 5x minus 5, that's this one, equals 100. This plus this equals my exterior. Okay, so to solve for x, I need to combine like terms. 7x and 5x are like terms. Together I get 12x. Okay, negative 3 and negative 5 are like terms. Together I get negative 8. Equals 100. Solve for x by adding 8 to both sides. So 12x equals 108. Divide both sides by 12. X is 9. Okay, and it just said to solve for x is 9. It didn't say to find the angle measure, so you don't need to plug it back in yet. That'll be the next set. Okay, but I know x is 9, and it asked me to solve for x, so I can be done. Okay, and then number 6. Again, my two interior angles add up to be my exterior. So this plus this equals this. So I have 83 plus 6x plus 15 equals 10, my pencil mark made it look like, plus 17x. Okay, I have variables on both sides. Remember, you need to get all your variables to one side, all your constants to the other. Before that, I need to combine my like terms. My 83 and my 15 are constants. They're like terms. We need to combine them. So 83 and 15 is 98. So 98 plus 6x equals 10 plus 17x. Okay, I'm going to get all my variables to one side by subtracting 6x's to both sides. Okay, 10 plus 11x. Right, 17x minus 6x is 11x. I got all my x's to one side. My constants need to go to the other. So I'm going to subtract 10 to both sides. That's a 10. 98 minus 10 is 88. Divide both sides by 11. X equals 8. Okay, so up here, x equals 8. So I did 5 and 6 for you. You need to do 7 and 8. Okay, hopefully you're doing your work on another sheet of paper or writing smaller than me. Or you can, if you print it, you can use the back because there's nothing on the back. But I write really big and I take up a lot of space. So either do your work on a separate sheet or try and write a little smaller than me. Okay, numbers 9 and 10. Same thing that we just did, but now we're finding the missing angle measure. So once you get x, you need to plug it in to get your missing angle. Okay, so I'll do number 9 with you. So I know these two interior angles add up to my exterior. So I know that 3x plus 12 plus 9x plus 6 equals 114. Okay, this plus this equals this. My like terms are 3x and 9x. Together make 12x. And positive 12 and positive 6 make positive 18 equals 114. Subtract 18 to both sides. 114 minus 18 is 96. Divide both sides by 12. X equals 8. Okay, you're not done. It didn't say just to find x. It said you had to find the missing angle. So now that you know x, you need to plug it back in. So 3 times x plus 12, because it's saying to find u. U is this one right here. So 3 times x is 8, plus 12. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 12, which is going to be 36. Okay, so that missing angle measure right here is going to be 36 degrees. So up on these ones, you could be done after you found x, because that's what the direction said. But on these ones, you need to plug it back in to find the missing angle measure. Okay, so that's exterior angles. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 10 with you, so you only need to do the other 6. I am doing the Google form again, so if you put your answers in the Google form, you will know if you got them correct or not. So the link to the Google form will be with the classwork, but you can either submit this or you can submit it on Google, the Google form, or you can do both. But either way, I want you to put your answers in the Google form just so you know if you're getting them correct or not. It's a good way for you to check. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.